Joe! I'm charging 6 months for my nigga. You bitch with me, you coming back up your way. I did it by my head, talking back and feeling my ass. So a nigga should have no body, but they didn't mind. They can come in me with it from my head. The niggas that blues, man. Hey, what's up? Come on, let's down, nigga. Alright. Say, hey, Queensboro Heroes.